Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on the backup on Google Chat. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Google Chat on your phone and select a space. Make sure that you are a member of this space and you are the admin as well. Now go ahead and select the name of the page and you can see the history is turned off. This also means the backup guys, so you can go ahead and turn it on. So if you turn it off, you can see the messages sent now are deleted in 24 hours and the backup will not be done. But if you want the message to remain there forever and the backup to be turned on, you can just go ahead and enable this button and you can see the history is now turned on. You can even search in conversation about the things you had talked about and this will be saved as your backup. So guys, it's quite easy and efficient. You can just go ahead and open Google Chat, select a space which you are admin of, select its settings or the group logo, just go ahead and tag on it and you can see the history. If it is turned off, you can go ahead and turn it on and the backup will be turned on as well. I hope this video about how you can turn on the backup on Google Chat was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.